All right, second graders, we're back. Day 3, word study. We're digging deeper into the ED ending. Now you have different sounds for your ED ending. So it could make a ED sound, a D sound, or a T sound. So you have words on your screen that you're going to do on Schoology, and you need to do your word sort. So you have played, played. Well, that end sound makes a D. But then you have walked, walked, spelled ED, but sounds like, you guessed it, T. So you're going to slide it over here. But melted, melted, it has the ED ending. So that's going to go over in this box. Now you're going to finish the rest of the words right here, and then you're going to submit it to Schoology for your teacher to grade. Have fun!